That was awesome. Nice job, guys.
Like that one?
Yeah.
You got that one on video, huh?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, Rigo. That on video? Awesome. Where the concrete's from.
What do you see?
Concrete.
In the palm tree? Where do you see it?
From the other side of this. See it?
Huh. Maybe it broke someone in the street. It was a pretty hard impact.
I felt it. I can't believe they took that down in one piece.
Yeah, I thought they'd cut it by sections. Wow.
Yeah, usually that's what they do.